Here's a 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. Rugged, capable, tough. The Nissan Pathfinder. Legendary. It's well equipped with the features you need. Continuously variable automatic transmission, heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, external memory control, hands-free liftgate, Nissan Connect with mobile apps, and V6 engine. Kelley Blue Book reports a large upward sloping grille and two large headlight housings convey toughness, but for the most part, the latest Pathfinder projects a friendly image. Innovation, excitement, Nissan. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Are you speaking Deacon? Visit Deacon Jones Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac today. Give us a call at 800-952-9354.